Just a short walk from Kyoto's famous Golden Pavilion, you'll find a 95-year-old Kyo-machiya that's been lovingly restored into a home for modern living. Once part of a bustling textile district, this house carries the history of Nishijin, where workshops and residences stood side by side. Today, it's not just a place to live, it's also a home office, blending work and life in a way that feels both contemporary and deeply traditional. What's fascinating about this machiya is its scale. The ceilings and doorways are lower than what we're used to, doors just under 5'8", and rooms sized to only 3 tatami mats. It might sound cramped, but this compactness brings a warmth that feels intimate and close to the body, almost like the house itself is wrapping around you. The architects didn't try to impose a modern layout here. Instead, they leaned into the traditional proportions to create comfort that feels authentic to the machiya lifestyle. The guiding principle of the renovation was simple: preserve as much as possible. Original spaces like the former shopfront were kept as a workspace, while the kitchen remains in its traditional role. But there were also moments where change was necessary. The old dirt floor, once used for textile looms, had been altered beyond recognition over the years. So the architects reimagined it, wrapping the semi-basement in smooth mortar and turning it into a cozy living room. This design creates a home where even the floor levels tell a story. On the first floor, 3 different heights define 3 unique experiences. In the semi-basement living room, sitting low on a sofa feels almost primal, like curling up in a den. Nearby, light filters softly through traditional latticework into a study, while the compact dining room glows with its own quiet presence. Each space feels connected, yet distinct, offering different moods depending on the season or the moment. In the end, this house is not about grandeur, It's about intimacy, memory, and rhythm. It shows how smallness can be powerful and how preserving tradition can actually make a home more adaptable for modern life. For anyone looking for design inspiration, the machiya near Kinkakuji Temple reminds us that true comfort isn't always about more space, it's about how space makes you feel.